So, hello, Prince here back at you, coming with another bass lesson for our beginners. In previous lesson, we have dealt with the C major scale. We have also dealt with showing you the notes on the bass. So, with you already knowing that, we can move on to this lesson, and this is just a basic bass line for beginners, so you know you have something to play with and practice. All right, and get all excited. You're now playing a bass line. How about that? Wee! All right. So let's get right into it. How about that? So this particular bass line is in your root note is C. So your C note is on your A string, and it's on the third fret. All right. C note is where? On your A string, on the third fret, right? And the D note, your D note, that is on your A string also, and it's on your fifth fret. Where it is? On your A string, on your fifth fret, okay? The next note you want to know for this exercise is your F note. That's on your D string, on the third fret. Where it is? On your D string, on your third fret. All right? Once you have those, and I know you have it, we are ready for the exercise, okay? We're going to do this exercise. We're going to use a metronome. We're going to do 70 beats per minute. All right, so 70 BPM. And we'll get right into that. How about that? All right, so let's get right into it. All right, let's go. All right. So let's do it a couple more times so you get right into it. Alright, so there go your exercise, and that's about it. Practice, perfect it, and see you in the next lesson, alright? Have a great one. Keep practicing.